Baby sad. Huh?
Because Daddy made the notebook gone.
Yeah, the notebooks, the 7 notebooks are gone.
Daddy was gonna come back.
It's not gonna come back.
Yeah, he won't want me to write 7 notebooks.
You want to write 7 notebooks?
Yeah.
Maybe we can try to find another notebooks in that. Here. Don't cry. Just write number 7. Try. We check. Maybe we'll have another 7 notebooks after you trace number 7. See, you will have a lot of stars. Oh. Na, what's that?
Not 7 notebooks.
It's 7 badminton. Ano ba yan, Daddy? Oh? 7 racket. Ano to, mine?
Racket, tennis
Racket, tennis racket.
Look for it. Oh, where?
Now I won't get every 7 notebooks.
So cute, mommy. So cute, mommy.
7 notebooks. Oo. Yan, nangingiyakan mo lang gang 7 notebooks. Yan, nando, 7 racket. Oh, yan, oh, there's one.
But that's not 7 notebooks.
Okay na yan. 1 notebook, 7 rackets. Gusto niya kasi 7 notebooks.
I'm not gonna be happy.
Why are you sad?
Daddy don't wants me to do it by myself because he pressed that one.
Or you just try kuan na lang. Numbers. Just practice numbers. Wag na lang ABC. Numbers na lang tayo.
I want that.
Do you want to watch a movie tomorrow? Yeah?
But number 7 notebooks.
Tama na yung 7 notebooks. Mahanap din natin yan. I'll buy you 7 notebooks tomorrow. Ha? Isipon mo yun.
Not those again. I want 7 notebooks. I want 7 notebooks.
Na 8 ta. Baka merong 8.
I don't want 8. Oh.
9 na lang, 9. Maybe makita mo na yung 7 notebooks mo, ay yung notebooks mo sa 9. Wala na yung 7 lang ga. Sige daw, try mo.
I can't finish it. I will only 21 more stuff. Now I will go to bed and not.
Na, 7 cups. What's this? 7.
Now
Not notebooks again. Wala na, hindi na magpapakita yung notebook.
Now I can't sleep. Now I can't sleep now.
Ala, ginagawa mo lang rason yan para magtapos na tayo magsulat. You're just fooling mommy. You're just giving me a reason for you to stop. Malala, you're so bright, huh? You just want to stop writing?